Hi, today I'm reviewing Poco M5s and I'll show you how to turn off Google Assistant on this device. So first let's launch the Google application and be sure that you are signing into the Google account. So I just will do this. Let's here enter our email. Now we should enter the password. I'll do this out of screen. Then just tap to next. Click yes, I agree. Tap to accept. Okay. So let's just once again open the Google. You can see that we are logged in Google account. So now we should go to the settings, tap to Google Assistant section and scroll down to the general options. Just to turn off Google Assistant, we should click here only once on the switcher and tap to turn it off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.